Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a little update for the print spooler problem. So on Wednesday, I believe, Tuesday or Wednesday, I posted a video and gave the links to the download of the fix for version 1809, 1903, and 1909. Now, if you are on the latest version of Windows 10, version 2004, the May 2020 update, the fix was not available yet, so it is now, and here it is. So I'll post the link to this in the description below the video. Once again, if you have a printer and you have problems printing with a spooler error popping up since Patch Tuesday, you should download and install this from the Microsoft Update Catalog. So here you've got, of course, the x86 version and x64 version for KB 4567523 for the latest version of Windows 10. So that will fix it, and you should be back at printing normal. It's not just for printing if you have a printer. If you do virtual printing, for example, print into a PDF and other types of virtual printers, that does not require a printer, but what it does is actually create a file out of whatever document or things you want to print. You could be affected also. It will still give you a print spooler error. So just download this. If everything is alright and you got no problems, stay away. You don't need to download nothing like this. So it's now available. The link is in the description below the video. Check it out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.